All right, everyone, welcome to your third and final day of Tinkercad skills. These are sort of more complex skills. We're actually going to have 4 different videos today to look at. The first video is going to look at using the duplicate tool to make patterns. So in Tinkercad, up here on the upper left, this here is copy and paste. So I can take an object, I can copy it, I can then paste it, and it makes the second one, all right? Another option that we have is this button here called duplicate. So duplicate sort of copies and pastes in place. If I click my box and if I click this, there's actually a second one there. All right, you can't see it, but it is there. And we can use this tool to help us sort of repeat patterns and do some really cool stuff. So as an example, imagine I take my box and I'm going to sort of make a step out of it. So there's like a little stair step. All right, I'm then going to, while it's selected, I'm going to click duplicate. And while this is selected, I'm going to move the second one over to the right. I'm going to lift it up a little bit. Now, while it's still selected, this is really important. You don't want to click off of this. While it's still selected, you're going to click duplicate again. And it's going to repeat that pattern. And if I keep on pressing the duplicate button, it's going to continue making those stairs to nowhere. All right, and it just keeps on going, keeps on going. So you can make like lots of cool patterns with this. You can make like a fence. You can do anything that you sort of want. One really cool example that you can try. This is always fun to do. It's a little complex. You have to drag 3 spheres to the work plane. And you want to change the color so they're 3 different colors. So I'll make this one yellow and do maybe red. You can choose any colors you want. And I'm going to take the middle sphere. I'm going to sort of stretch it out. Something like this. So you want it to look something sort of like that, sort of a long, skinny thing. Then you want the other 2 spheres to kind of be on the 2 ends. So to make sure we're perfectly lined up, we're going to click on all 3 of these. We're going to use our lovely align tool. I'm going to align them on this button here so they're all in a perfectly straight line. I'm also going to align them middle height. I'm then going to group them together. They're going to turn the same color, which we don't want. So I'm going to go back to multicolor. All right, so now these are sort of grouped together. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this object. I'm going to duplicate. So there's now 2 of them there. I'm going to lift the second one up a little bit. And I'm also going to rotate this way a little bit. So you're going to do something sort of like this here. All right, again, you don't want to click off. You want to sort of leave it selected. You're then going to hit the duplicate button again. And then you sort of keep on going. It's going to keep repeating the pattern. And if I zoom out here, you can see we're making DNA. How cool is that? So this is just sort of another example of a pattern that you can make using the duplicate tool. All right, thank you for watching.